Welcome to Growi. Let's get started. First, we're going to create our brand or marketing manager profile by signing in with our wallet. Once we get our wallet in, we will fill some personal information and we are ready to start creating campaigns. But before, our first step is to configure and create our site in the platform. We're going to paste our site URL here and we are ready to go. Once our site is created, we can create our event tracking. We are going to create an event called Buy Cappuccino. The platform takes us to the store. First step is to select the path where we have our element to track. We see the cappuccino here, so we select this path. Next, let's click on our element to set up the event we want to track. In this case, we want to track the button Order Now clicks on Cappuccino. In case you were wondering how the platform recognizes a store, here's where we generate our script. This step is supposed to be done before creating site events, but for testing purposes, we already had this script installed in our coffee store. It's time to create our campaign. We have on our left the AI campaign helper. We can also fill the campaign's details manually on the right. Let's call our campaign Cappuccino Lovers. Add some details, date, region, interest, target audience, the budget we're going to spend on the whole campaign, and influencer slots, which is the max amount of influencers we want to apply for this campaign. At the bottom, we will select the site we set up, and we can see that it already recognized the Buy Cappuccino event we've created. This is where we can set up the price that is going to be paid to the influencer every time they hit the goal set. In this case, 0.01 per purchase. Let's click on Create Campaign. At this point, it is possible to still edit the campaign in case it's needed. Let's go back to the campaign and edit the budget to 2 USDC. Once we hit Publish, we cannot edit the campaign again. Let's confirm the budget with our wallet. Now we will check that the campaign was actually funded. We see the value of 2 USDC here. Now it's time to see the influencers flow. Let's create our influencers profile. We're going to sign up with our Gmail account and let's call this influencer Growi Influ. We are ready to browse for campaigns that fit our audience. I'm interested in the campaign Cappuccino Lover. We can see the details, the total budget, and the amount the brand is paying for each goal. Let's apply. On the brand side, we will see in our campaign the influencer application. We will proceed to accept. Back at the influencer side, after accepted, and when the campaign goes live, we will be able to generate a QR code or link to use in the content we promote for the brand. When the audience goes to the link, they will already be using the influencer ID and all traffic and audience behavior will be able to get tracked in the influencer's dashboard. Let's go ahead and buy a cappuccino with the influencer link and let's make the payment. Once someone in our audience made a purchase or hit a goal set, we will be able to track it inside my campaign. Here we can see that someone bought a cappuccino and the value of the earnings I got for it. Just for fun, let's make a second purchase. Then, we will be able to see both purchases back in our dashboard. If we go to the brand profile, we will also see that our influencer got 2 purchases as well, making it transparent for both of them. With Growi, the influencer gets instant payment and the brand pays only for results.